Hey guys, Anvey here and welcome back to my channel. Sana may natutunan kayo sa 5-minute marketing video natin last week. And for this week, what I will share with you is that what are the different kinds of influencer or what are the different types of influencer. So yes guys, tama yung narinig nyo. Meron talagang different types or segmentation ng mga influencers. So guys, mag-umpisa muna tayo dun sa first type of influencer that I've mentioned, which is yung mega. So yung mega, ito yung mga celebrities, ito yung mga top tier industry leaders, or yung mga super high-end YouTubers na sobrang daming followers. So usually yung audience size na tinitignan natin dito sa mga mega influencers is around 1 million and above. So yun yung classification nila. Again, yung mega influencers, these are the most expensive types of influencers. However, they are the ones who offer you the biggest reach possible. Again, you could just imagine that when they post your product, they could already reach 1 million people. And again, depende sa engagement rate and how compelling the content is, you can get a pie of that 1 million. So guys, pumunta naman tayo dun sa pangalawang example na sinabi ko, which is yung macro influencer. Yung macro influencer guys, ito yung audience size nito based on what I know or what I currently do in terms of evaluating is that nandito siya naglaro sa between 100,000 to 1 million 1 million followers or subscribers or yung mga yun nga yung mga nagpo-follow sa page niya or dun sa mga accounts niya, no? So usually ang macro influencers are mga vloggers, yung mga content creators, and other people that are very much popular into a particular social media account. So guys, yung pangatlong type of influencer is what we call micro-influencer. So yung micro-influencer, meron niyang fan base between 1,000 to 100,000. Usually, based on my experience, ito yung mga topic or industry experts. Marami sa kanila have strong relationship to their audience kasi nga nagbe-build pa lang sila ng audience group. So yung mga first na naniniwala sa kanila really do follow them because of their topic of choice or yung mga sinasabi nila is something entertaining or something that is relevant to the audience or to the groups that they are attracting, no? So again, the micro-influencers, guys, ang pinaka-best approach for me is that don't partner with one micro-influencer. Go with more micro-influencers. So again, may mga mix and match yan, no? Pwedeng may isa kang mega influencer, meron kang 5 macro influencer, at meron kang 100 na micro influencer. Yun yung pagka marami kang budget. Of course, yun yung pinaka-impactful. Kasi titignan mo, meron kang isa na parang North Star or ito yung parang pinaka-leader mo, siya yung parang pinaka-maraming followers. And then, ko-complement mo siya ng mga macro influencers from passion points. So, may isa ka about, kunwari, sneakers, meron kang about isang tech, meron kang isang sneaker photography enthusiast, meron kang isang cooking enthusiast or chef, and then meron kang siguro isang bookworm na yun nga, less than 1 million yung followers. So, ibig sabihin na sa segment mo at nakaka-capture mo yung different audience group nila. At pag pinagsama-sama mo sila, mas malaki yung number na meron sila. Again, guys, going back to micro-influencer, if you want to partner with them, find the most relevant micro-influencers, work closely with them, and make sure that their content are very much organic to the audience that they have right now. Yung pang-apat na type ng influencer is what we call nano influencer. So yung nano influencer, ang audience size niya is anything between 1,000 and below. So again guys, no, usually ito yung in terms of description or in terms of profile, ito usually yung mga community leaders natin, ito usually yung mga school leaders natin, or ito usually yung mga talagang yun nga, yung key opinion leaders in a particular topic. Kasi nagbe-build pa lang din sila ng following nila. Say for example, ito yung mga taong marurunong with regards to a particular topic. Kunwari gaming, kunwari sports, kunwari photography, kunwari about technology. So, madalas yan, hindi pa sila nakakapag-build ng malaking audience group nila. Pero yung 1,000 and below na mga followers or mga readers or yung mga subscribers nila, ito yung pinaka-purest of the pure. Kasi, again, either yung yun nga, yung mga first believers, yung mga unang naniniwala sa kanila. So, always remember that how you work closely with the content creator will make your posts or will make your campaign much impactful. So, another thing that I experience is that don't dictate to the influencer or to the people that you work with what do you want to do. But rather, I would recommend that you guys collaborate with them. So what do I mean by collaboration? So you give them the idea, you give them your business goal, you give them the things that you want in terms of expectations, no? And then, you work closely with them. Bigyan mo sila ng idea, bibigyan kanila ng idea, and then kung mag-meet kayo halfway and both parties are happy, then that's the best time to execute. Kasi madalas na pagkakamali or madalas na nangyayari is that one brand or a client would give a brief, and then that client or that brand will reinforce that kind of content, which is not organic to the vlogger or to the influencer or to the content creator. So makikita yun guys ng mga fans and mga followers niya. At hindi yun magiging organic na promotion. Again, when you partner with influencer, make sure that all the content that you guys will do are actually very organic and innate to them. Okay? So guys, kung bago lang kayo dito sa YouTube channel ko or sa Facebook page ko, I would like to take this opportunity na invite kayong mag-subscribe, like, at sana i-share nyo rin tong content na to sa mga friends nyo. So guys, sana may natutunan kayo sa 5-minute marketing video natin this week. Again, kung meron kayong mga marketing strategy o mga marketing tactics na gusto nyong malaman dito sa channel natin, comment down below at sisiguraduhin kong babasahin ko yon at re-replyan ko kayo ng mga realistic marketing ideas at mga business solutions that you guys can execute by yourselves. Again, I'm Anvey Factora. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you again next week.